Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are so welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make homemade coconut milk. The coconut milk you see in the stores, you are going to make it in your home today. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Just stick around and watch this video till the end. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel so that you would always get notified whenever I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and like it, share it to your colleagues, to your friends, to your family. Who doesn't want to know how to make healthy coconut milk? For this recipe, we'll be using 3 coconuts, and the coconut has to be mature coconuts, not young coconuts. Young coconuts won't give you the milk that you really want to get out of the coconuts. So mature coconuts here will do a very good job for you and get as much milk for you. So we go ahead and break this coconut like I've done here, and then we'll break it into tiny bits and grate it. I'll go ahead and get my grater, and then I'll grate this coconut. Grating it is not compulsory. If you have a high-speed blender, definitely cut your coconut in tiny bits and throw it right in. But then I'll grate it so that it will be easy for me to blend with my blender. And here is our grated coconut ready to be thrown into the blender. So we'll go ahead and throw our shredded coconuts into the blender bit by bit, and then we'll go ahead and add 2 cups of water. You have to be careful putting water so that you won't put water so much and you lose that coconut milk taste, because you don't want to lose this taste. Then we'll go ahead and blend it until smooth and creamy. And when you're satisfied, you put off your blender, and it's time to sieve the milk out of the chaff. So good already. The good side to behold. And then you will use a cheesecloth, or you would use a strainer, whatever it is you need to get those milk out of the chaff. Absolutely do that. I'll go ahead and squeeze out my milk. Squeeze it out. Make sure every tiny bit of milk is out from that bag. That is why I love using a cheesecloth. It really gives me that advantage of having to squeeze very, very well until every single drop of milk comes out. And so our coconut milk is ready. What do you think? So good, so creamy. Like I just wanted to put everything in my mouth and drink at once, but I just held myself. Anyways, transfer to your cup. And yes, forget about the stains on the table. That is what eating healthy can do for you. Here is our coconut milk ready to serve and drink, and it's so creamy. Can you beat that? Can you see that? It's tasting time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to subscribe to my channel. So creamy, so tasty. Some people are telling me they want. This is an alternative to the milk. For those who want to stop taking milk, this is a go-to milk for you. And for those who are already vegans, you guys are enjoying. Maybe I'll become a vegan someday, who knows. Cheers. See you in my next video.